In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist an email address or domain in Outlook. Whitelisting, also called adding a safe sender, tells Outlook that messages from a specific person or an entire website's domain are trustworthy and shouldn't be sent to junk email. This is especially useful if you're missing newsletters, invoices, or important updates that keep landing in spam. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Outlook, then click the official Outlook link to open your mailbox. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual account. Once your inbox is loaded, look to the upper right corner and click the gear icon to open settings. This is where Outlook keeps all the options that control how your mail is handled. In the settings panel, choose Mail. This reveals a list of mail-related options down the left side. From there, select Junk Email. This section manages blocked senders and safe senders. We're going to focus on safe senders because that's what prevents Outlook from misclassifying mail you actually want. Next, click Add Safe Sender. A small box will appear where you can enter the sender you trust. You have two choices here. If you want to allow messages from just one person, type their full email address, like newsletter@example.com. If you want to allow messages from every address at a company or service, type only the domain, such as example.com. That second option is broader, so use it only when you trust the entire organization. Take a second to double check spelling. One typo can keep the rule from working. Avoid spaces and don't add extra punctuation. When you're ready, click OK to save. From now on, Outlook will treat messages from that address or domain as safe, and future emails should land in your inbox instead of junk email. If you ever change your mind, return to the same junk email settings and remove the safe sender entry. It's that simple. A couple of quick tips. If older messages from that sender are still sitting in junk email, moving them to your inbox helps train Outlook. Also, if you use focused inbox, safe messages will still be sorted between focused and other, but they won't be marked as junk. Finally, Outlook's interface may look slightly different depending on updates, but the path is the same. Settings, Mail, Junk Email, Add Safe Sender. And that's it. Quick, reliable, and done right inside Outlook on the web. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.